This video is our presentation of TPIV Inc. TPIV is a bulletin board listed company trading our ticker TPIV. I took a look at TPIV on a daily chart. It's been making a real strong move. I noticed it was at some resistance, so I wanted to scale it back to a weekly chart. And that's what this is, a 3-year weekly look at it. And it shows some resistance points it's trying to push through right now. It helps identify some later on resistance points should the move continue. You can see we've got a nice upward path going in the MACD, even dating back 3 years. See it's coming through something like that. Just kind of trending right around zero over about the last year. Now a bullish cross has been dropped again. Can identify that by the histogram bars back above zero. We'll be looking for this MACD to climb back above zero and hold there with some strength. That'll increase the odds it's getting some strong trend behind it. It's going to take out the next resistance level. PPO in a nice position, breaking through its downward trend right now. ADX down very low. I always look for it when it gets down around 10 to pick a direction. Start to show some strength one way or the other. MFIs, they're clearly reflective of the buying pressure that's been coming into the play. Also showing the accumulation distribution, shaking money flow well in the green. Buying pressure is clearly outweighing selling pressure. CCI by definition, the break of 100 was the buy point. Full stow well over 50, showing a lot of momentum coming into the play. And the Trix has even recently dropped a bullish cross. RSIs punched their way back through 50, again showing the momentum that's coming into the play. So that was kind of to be expected. The indicators are looking pretty bullish. This has had 2 solid weeks in a row. To identify some support levels, there's some nice support over about the last year, right around 14-15 cents. It does drop even lower, but with this putting the upward pressure, closing at 26, I would most certainly want to see it hold there. Even a little bit higher, I'd come in right around 20 cents. 50-day moving averages right there. It's important for any chart to try and hold over top of the 50-day. With this closing at 26, it doesn't put the stop loss too awful far away for a stock at this price point. Just shy of 20%. And that's a strong support level, so I'd really want to see it hold, or the odds of it coming down here and testing 14 are greatly increased. Now to the upside, see this had a hard time moving above 26 cents. 25 back here in 2010, again 27, touched 28 a few different times last year. It's a pretty tough resistance point. I'd be looking for the upward pressure to continue. This is going to maintain its bullish ways. It's going to need to take that level out with some true strength. See, volume really picked up the last 2 weeks. I'm not real sure if TPIV had some news. I didn't do any due diligence. This is a technical look at the company's chart. But that's what I'd be looking for. Volume to stay strong, blow through that 26, 27 cent mark, because the next level of resistance doesn't come in until up here around 40 cents. Historically, it was a support level. It was clearly a resistance point last year. And that's still a real nice upside from where it is from 26, adding 14 cents a share. It's more than 50% move to the next resistance level. A little bit beyond that, here comes the 200-day moving average. Always a source of dynamic resistance, and also a key point for a chart to move above that level and start trending over top of the 200-day. It's a much more bullish chart if that happens. It's a pretty interesting chart, though. Very nice baseline pattern to it. Now facing some resistance, and one to perhaps keep an eye on and see how it performs from here forward. As always, it's merely my interpretation of the TPIV chart. Thank you for watching, and trade smart.